In this video, I want to demonstrate how to put two 1/2 inch holes through this face, and this bend. To do that, the first thing I need to do is unfold the part. So I'm going to select Unfold. I'll tell it this face is stationary. And this time I'm going to tell it to collect all bends. It found two bends, this bend and this bend. I'll say OK, and it's unfolded. Now I can select this face and look normal too. Go to my features, tell I want to do extrude cut. I want to make two holes, so I'm just going to quickly create the holes, push escape, select the circles while holding control, release control, and I'll make them equal. I'll also select their centers, release control and make them horizontal, and then activate Smart Dimension. So the diameter of the circles is 1/2 inch. I'll make them 1 inch from this edge. And then I'll work over from this edge. I'll make them 1.1 here. And then I'll make the center to center distance 2.5. My sketch is fully defined. I'll right click and exit the sketch. I'm going to rotate around a bit. And I'm going to make it blind, and I'm going to maintain it linked to thickness. No matter what, it will go through my material. I'll say OK. And now I need to fold it back up. So I'll go back to sheet metal. And then this time I'm going to tell it to fold. Seize the fixed face. And again, I'm going to tell it to collect all the bends because I unfolded everything. And I'll say OK. And now I have my folded part with my circular cut through that edge. If I flatten it out, I see the pattern, and I'll fold it back up. I'll go back to the isometric view and save my work.